Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 10 of virtual learning. Congratulations, you made it to the end of week 2 of virtual learning. You guys are doing so great that actually I was talking to Mrs. Gomez, Mrs. Childoff, and we are going to give you guys a virtual marble. That's right, when we get back to school, this is your second marble you guys have earned so far. So when we get back into the classroom, we're going to go ahead and give you 2 marbles. You guys can keep up the great work and earn more marbles as this virtual learning continues. So today, you're going to be watching the video that I'm doing right now to give you the directions for today. We're going to start off with a mindful minute about things to be grateful for. Mrs. Gomez went ahead and wrote this paragraph that you guys can read about some things that she's grateful for, like her friends, her families, you guys, health, and all these things. So you're going to start with a mindful minute of things to be grateful for. Then you're going to move on to math. For math, we're doing lesson 14-2. You're going to go ahead and click on these. I think this is one link on this video for area, and that's what we're going to be working on again today. We're going to be working on area. After that, you're going to go on Envisions, and you're going to go to the eyeball of 14-2, and you're going to watch that quick video. Once you watch that quick video, go ahead and complete Reteach 14-2 in your workbook, and go ahead and record your answers here. You're doing numbers 1 through 4 in Reteach, and you will only be doing numbers 2, 4, and 5 on the practice page for practice 14-2. Those are the only questions you need to be doing for practice page. You're recording all your answers here. One thing I did notice yesterday, boys and girls, was that some of you guys were forgetting to add labels to your math answers. So remember, if a label isn't in the picture, just use square units. That's going to be your label for everything. So when in doubt, if you don't know a label for area, label it square units. You can use that always. Afterward, you're going to be logging on to Reflex for math. Some of you guys have not been going on to Reflex, and we can see who has been going on and who hasn't been going on. So just make sure you are logging on to Reflex. If you're having an issue with Reflex, leave us a comment, have a parent send an email, and we will try and reach out to Mark, or your parents can try and reach out to Mark at the help desk for Byro, and we can figure out what's going on from there. This week you are practicing your 8th math facts, so you're going to go ahead and click on this link right here to continue practicing your flashcards. For English today, you're going to watch the following video on plot. I'm assuming this is another brain pop video because you are going to take the quiz on plot, and then you can play the game. The game is optional to play. You don't have to play it. What is not optional is the quiz. You need to take the quiz. That counts. So make sure you watch that video and take that quiz. Afterward, you are reading Chapter 2 of Judy Moody. This is found in pages 24 through 37 of your textbook. If you can't get onto the online textbook, this is why we brought your books home, so just go ahead and turn to page 24. If you open the wrong book and see, page 24 isn't Chapter 2 of Judy Moody, go to your other Journeys book. It's probably that you were in the wrong textbook. All right, for vocabulary today, we are using those words from the same ones from all week. So you're going to choose the vocabulary word that matches each definition. Here are your definitions, and you have a word bank of vocabulary words. You're just going to say area where sunlight is blocked, and find which word is that, and put it right next to that on the line. All right, after that, we're going to science. We're watching another mystery science video. As you can see, Mrs. Gomez is still typing some of this up. All right, so for science today, we're answering the question, why is the sky blue? So you guys are going to go ahead and watch that video, and then you're going to go ahead and answer that question, why is the sky blue? Prove your answer, use evidence from the video, and explain it. This is a race's response. You should have at least 3 sentences. By now, I think you guys should be able to make it to 4 sentences. Don't just do 3. If you have more to say, write it. We would love to hear everything you learned about why the sky is blue. All right, make sure you're restating, you're answering the question, as well as citing evidence from the text, or not the text, from the video. In the video, it explained, or for example, I saw someone use that one yesterday. So make sure you're explaining everything you learned about why the sky is blue. Continue the great work, boys and girls. I think that's it for me for today, but hopefully we'll get to talk to you guys soon. I saw that you guys were able to see the cute puppy that came yesterday, and so hopefully Mrs. Gomez will be sending some more videos. Remember, one more thing, to check out your specials more for this week, and be continuing those as directed by your special teachers. All right, bye guys.